Okay, this is a video on how to change the screen on an HP NV4 1050CA. First thing you got to do is there's two screws in the bottom corners here, and they're just covered by plastic stickers. So the best way to get them off is just take a small straight screwdriver and pry off the stickers. Then you're going to need a small star screwdriver and take off the bottom screws in the corners. After that, the rest of the bezel just snaps off. So if you've got a guitar pick or a piece of plastic or something that you can pry up. And then there's 4 screws, one in each corner, that hold the actual LCD screen itself on. So you got to take each of those off. And then the screen just tips forward off some clips here. And it's attached by one ribbon cable here. So you got to peel the sticker that covers the entire chip at the bottom. Peel that back. And then there's a ribbon cable here that's covered by a little piece of tape that you're going to want to lift up. Peel that back, and then the adapter just slides right off the chip. Pull that through the sticky tape there and remove the old screen. Then take your new screen and basically do the opposite. So first, you're going to want to make sure that that connector piece is uncovered. Lay the screen down in the same way you took the old one off. Carefully connect the connector there and press the tape back down. Then all you're going to do is put the screen back in its place. There are some hooks up top that hold it in place. You take your screws again with a small star screwdriver. Once that's back in place, you can peel off the protective cover. Reinstall your bezel. Reinstall the screws in the bottom corners. And then just put your stickers back on. Once you're done that, you're good to go, and turn your laptop back on.